morning, YouTube. It's Joe. Today is Thursday, September 24th, 2020. And in this video, just vacuuming a larger size room. I think there's like 4,000 square feet in here, if I'm not mistaken. I think there's 4,000 square feet. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're just going to be vacuuming it. We've got pretty much all of it vacuumed. I just want to show you, just show us vacuuming, because that's one of the projects we got going today. It is the second project for today, so number 2 project. I usually only show one project a day, but I was like, hey, I'm gonna give them another one, give YouTube another one, because I didn't do one on the 23rd, so I'm gonna give you 2 on the 24th. So alrighty, here we go. Alrighty, YouTube, so we've got it all vacuumed up. I just like that little bit right there to vacuum up, and so we got all that vacuumed up. I'll probably do a little bit of vacuuming up there, just right through there where the chairs are. I don't think I got that spot, but just went through and just vacuumed real good. This is about a I think it's about between 3,000 and 4,000 square feet, if I remember correctly. It's what this room is. But we went through and vacuumed it up real good. Try to do this at least once a week, vacuum real good, and then we spot vacuum through the week. So just trying to keep it looking good. There is a couple spots here that need to be took care of, which we'll do that maybe tomorrow, maybe. So alrighty, but you can see we've got it all vacuumed up. It looks pretty good. Vacuumed up over in there, vacuumed up over here, so looks good. I pulled all the chairs to the middle, like I vacuumed over on this side, on the other side of the chairs, and then I came back and I moved the chairs over to where they are now, and then I vacuumed this side. So just wanted to show it to you. That's what we were doing today. So hopefully you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and just wanted to show some more of my experience. So you guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next one.